You will be amazed by this 2019 Chevrolet Impala. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your sophisticated style on the road in the Impala, the full-size family car that blends a premium passenger experience with athletic performance and advanced safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Being good to your family has its perks. Get behind the wheel of the Impala